Hello everyone, this is Chris with San Antonio Shoe Luggage Repair. Today we'd like to show you a little bit about the shoe repair process. We'd also like to show you the quality that we put forth in each job that we do. So please come on back. Jesus. He is putting new soles on a pair of boots. Each sole is custom fit to each individual boot. Seuss just trimmed the sole to the original boot to match the old original sole. Now we're going to take this boot and now we're going to stitch the sole onto the boot. Ladies, shoes that look like this with the heels worn down, they're loud and they're slippery. But we can definitely fix that for you as well. We're going to show you what Jose will do to these to make them look new again. Shoes, the heels are custom trim. Now we're going to take these and we're going to show you what William can do to make them look brand new. Here's William. He's bringing his pair of shoes. These pair of shoes are clean. Once the shoes are clean, I'll let the shoes make them look Ladies, here's your favorite pair of shoes, looking almost brand new. Also, don't forget about your favorite bag, purses, luggage, briefcase. We do it all. Stitching, zippers, handles, wheels,